Hi, and welcome to this Grafterr online ordering demo video. In this video, we'll show the steps to placing an online order via the online ordering website, and then managing this order via the EPOS. When placing an order online, you can provide the customer with the option to order for either collection or delivery, and set the expected delivery or collection timeframes. These can also be updated on the EPOS system, and you can also turn off either delivery or collection services, whichever is more relevant to the business. You can also allow customers to order for future dates, and in addition to ordering within the expected timeframes, you can also allow the customer to order within designated pre-order time slots to help manage capacity within the business. On the online ordering platforms, you can display your menu items either line by line or in a grid format and with or without images. All menu items have the option to include optional allergen, ingredient and calorie information, plus item descriptions. These would be visible to customers across all ordering platforms. To add an item to the order, select from the relevant categories. You can then add the relevant number of items to the order and add to cart. You can also include any special instructions to be included with the menu items, and these would be visible to the kitchen once the order has been placed. If promo codes have been made available to customers, one promo code can be entered per order. Once the customer's completed their order and are ready to proceed, they can then just press checkout. Existing customers can log in and view their full order history. Customers can also sign up to create a new account, or they can also check out as a guest. Once the customer has entered their details and confirmed whether they wish to opt in or out of marketing communications, they can then just press next to proceed to the payment screen. The customer can choose to pay for their order by card using Grafterr Pay, or alternatively, if this option is enabled for customers, they can also use the pay on cash or collection option. Once the customer has selected their preferred payment method, they can then just press pay to complete the order. Once the order has been placed, the customer will receive a confirmation on their screen. They will also receive email confirmation, and if ordering via the mobile app, they will also receive a push notification confirming the status of their order. Once the customer presses OK, they'll then return to the home screen.